Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the continuation of principles of inheritance, that is genetic disorders. Next subtopic, related to human beings, human genetic disorder. Before discuss this one, we know about pedigree analysis. What is meant by pedigree analysis? So, in pedigree analysis, inheritance of certain particular gene traits for one or more, that is a particular certain genetic traits, for one or more generations represented in the form of chart or family, in the form of diagram or family chart. That is we called as pedigree. Once again, remember carefully, the inheritance of certain genetical traits for one or more generations represented in the form of diagram or family chart, that is called pedigree. In this pedigree analysis, but to study about inheritance of human beings, there is a problems. That means for one generation, to study about one generation to another, minimum 2 to 3 generation we must study. Here, minimum for one generation to another generation, the average years one can take place minimum 20 years or more than 20 years. So for that one, 3 to 4 generations, 3 to 4 generation must study. That means to complete one lifespan of the organism. Along with this one complete environmental factor. So pedigree analysis to know, to indicate particular genetic traits, what are the disorders related to in family members. That apart from this one, very small families. In that small families, difficult to identify these particular traits and all. Especially gene mutational, whatever the traits, whatever the disorders, such type of disorders normally studying this pedigree analysis. In this pedigree analysis, the initiated, the individual of the pedigree analysis we called as propositus, or in that propositus, propositee we called as male, propositor called as female. Propositee male, propositor female, or otherwise we called as proband, the initiated individual in pedigree analysis we called as proband or propositus. Propositee, simply remember Y represent male, then vice versa female. Here the horizontal line indicates between two parents. The vertical line indicates the offsprings in that particular parents, the offspring and all. Here, particular symbolic representation. In this symbolic representation, already you know, or a simple way, that is the circular form related to female, the square related to male, then rhombus shape, unknown sex. Then shaded one, shaded lines, a complete shaded lines represent affected individual. If it is this one, circular one, affected female. This is affected male. or open lines or clear lines, that is healthy organisms, healthy individual. Half shaded lines, half shaded lines represent recessive female, recessive male, or otherwise this line also represent, this also indicate, but it is a sex linked recessive character, carrier one, sex linked carrier. These are autosomal. The middle of that particular part, if it represent a dot, that is a sex linked carrier. Then the horizontal line represent marrying of that couple. These double horizontal line, consanguineous marriages or blood related marriages. The vertical line represent the offsprings. Offsprings, it must represent from left to right and on. These are dizygotic twins. Fraternal. This is represent fraternal twins. That means dizygotic twins, fraternal one. Or similarly, if it represent any one, that is identical or monozygotic twins, identical or monozygotic twins. This is. Then if it represent this particular, this is aborted or stillbirth. This only one particular line, that is death of the individual. Death of individual organism, the same rhombus, and one can represent unaffected individuals, either male or female. Here I represent 4, whether it is 5 or 6, 3, whatever it may be. Only rhombus that represent unspecified sex. In a rhombus shape, inside, if it indicate any one particular number, that many number of organisms, unaffected individuals. Unaffected individuals. Like that, minimum in this particular, these are the parental, these are the offsprings and all. These Roman numbers represent generation. This is one generation, this second generation, the third generation, like this. Roman numbers, these pedigree analysis chart represent their generations, first to second, third, fourth and all. In these offsprings, if it is shaded, in this offspring affected, in this offspring carrier. So this one, whether it is homozygous or heterozygous, so this pedigree analysis represent either homozygous, heterozygous, either carrier, either affected, either healthy one, whom, how it affected. All these information, all these things, one can diagnose the particular certain genetic traits with the help of this one. In that, what is that particular diseases? These one can study about this one. In these disorders, in human disorders or human genetic disorders, here two types of disorders normally observing. That is chromosomal, one is chromosomal abnormality. Another one is there is a gene related human disorders, or otherwise we call as Mendelian disorder. There is chromosomal abnormality as well as Mendelian abnormalities. Chromosomal. Here, in this first one, that the chromosomal abnormalities, these abnormalities diagnosed through amniocentesis technique. In this one, either autosomal abnormality or sex-linked chromosomal abnormalities are present. In this one, what are the autosomal abnormalities? Normally, why chromosomal abnormalities normally affected? Normally, it causes in different types of organism, different types of human individuals. You only think it, why it is? Because of disjunction, non-disjunction of chromosomes during cell division. What is the main reason? Disjunctioning of chromosomes. That is the main reason it causes chromosomal abnormalities of organism. How it diagnosed? It diagnosed through amniocentesis technique. In this one, what are that autosomal chromosomal abnormalities are present? So you know about which type of diseases? Chromosomal autosomal abnormality. That chromosomal related to X, that is sex-linked abnormalities. These are autosomal. What are the autosomal abnormalities are present? That is Down's syndrome, as well as apart from this one, there is Edwards syndrome. Then Patus syndrome. Then Cru-Chart syndrome. Cru-Chart syndrome. These are autosomal, that is chromosomal abnormalities related to, that is sex-linked abnormalities. What are the sex-linked abnormalities are present? In this one, normally that Klinefelter syndrome, then Turner's syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome, or what is the another name of criminal syndrome? Jacobson syndrome. That is important. Which type of disease commonly we call as criminal syndrome or Jacobson syndrome? This is otherwise we called as criminal or Jacobson. Turner's syndrome. Along with this one, super female as well as super male. These already in last class, if you observe very clearly what type of disease, in what type of chromosomal abnormality, normally all these different types of diseases it must affect. Then did you know why it is? What is the main cause? Chromosomal, that is a disjunction of chromosomes related to that particular cell division and all. In this one, related to aneuploidy. In aneuploidy condition, some among trisomy, some among monosomy, some among heterosomy, this aneuploidic one, these diseases cannot transfer from parents to offspring. Very rarely it must transfer. Normally it cannot transmit. Then what type of diseases, normally it transfer from parents to children, parents to offspring. That is, this is normally chromosomal abnormalities. Then gene related abnormalities and all. Gene that related or human diseases or disorders. These are normally are commonly we called as Mendelian. Commonly it is called as Mendelian disorders. In these Mendelian disorders, normally alleles abnormalities. Here chromosomal abnormalities. Here allele abnormalities. That allele, because of allelic abnormality. How it diagnose? It identify with the help of pedigree analysis, pedigree chart, family chart. With the help of that family chart, it must know about what type of disease, whom it must affect in different generations and all. Here, related to, here also autosomal, as well as that sex linked. Autosomal abnormalities as well as sex linked abnormalities. But what is the main reason? How it causes? How it causes chromosomal abnormalities? Chromosomal abnormalities normally causes, that is a non-disjunction of chromosomes. But why it causes? Because of gene mutation. Because of gene mutation, it causes these abnormalities, allelic abnormalities. So, that you remember, that is because of that gene mutation. Because of genetic mutation, it causes these abnormalities. In this autosomal, in that autosomal, some are recessive one or carrier one, some are dominant one. What are the autosomal gene recessive disorders? In this, some are recessive, some are dominant. What are the recessive disorders? In this recessive disorder, that is alkaptonuria, then phenylketonuria, cystic fibrosis, Tay-Sachs disease. These are two scientists. Tay is one scientist, Sachs is another scientist. By the combination of these two scientists, they identified. That's why Tay-Sachs disease. Then albinism disease. Gaucher's disease, albinism as well as Gaucher's. Along with this one, in hemoglobin, while formation of alpha, beta chains and here also different variation due to changing of gene mutation. That is also an abnormality. Normally we see, that is thalassemia. Remember properly which one represent recessive, that genetic autosomal disorder and all. Then which one represent the dominant disorder? In the dominant disorders, then HK, Huntington's chorea. Then ichthyosis. Then on top of the skin becomes fish-like structure. That means the scaly skin, the scale-like skin appeared, whomever affect this particular disease and all. Achondroplasy. Then Marfan syndromes. Then sometimes cataract. Then astigmatism, eye-related disease. Cleft palate, the palate which separate oral to nasal cavity, that is cleft palate. And ananchia, that means in our fingers the nails are present. Such type of disease, nails will absence of nails, that such type of fingers appears due to that one. Then sex-linked abnormalities related to gene mutation, here related to that hemophilia. Then color blindness, night blindness. Then Duchenne muscular dystrophy. Duchenne muscular dystrophy. So these are gene related, these are related to chromosomal abnormality. You identify, exam point of view, they may chance to ask which related to identify any one among the chromosomal abnormality, autosomal disease, chromosomal abnormality, sex-linked chromosomal disease, or gene abnormalities, that is the allelic abnormalities of autosomal recessive, autosomal dominant, or X-linked or sex-linked, that particular organism, that particular diseases. Along with this one, some of the Y chromosome linked, that is hypertrichosis, that is also one among these, that is sex influence, sex linked it is present, but major disease affected, all these one can be present and all. Then, apart from this one, this is the autosomal allelic abnormality, the sex linked allelic. This is an allelic abnormality. There is a chromosomal abnormality. This chromosomal abnormality may not transfer from parents to young ones, but that gene related or Mendelian disorders, it transfer. So you remember pedigree analysis, what type of disease it must recognize. There is autosomal allelic abnormality as well as sex-linked allelic abnormalities only. In this one, that autosomal, this particular chromosomal abnormalities, one among these one, Down syndrome. Name of the scientist who identified this one among the aneuploidy, Down syndrome, otherwise we called as Mongolism. It is 21st trisomy. Normally on 21st chromosome, by adding of one more chromosome, that is a trisomy, one type of aneuploidic disease, or Mongolian, or otherwise we called as Mongolian idiocy. This is the first way. The second way, that is Robertsonian or translocation. That means either 13 or 14 or 15 or 22nd. These chromosome translocate to the 21st chromosome Then very partial trisomy. There is no perfect trisomy, partial. That is normally 14th chromosome transfer to 21st chromosome. That is a translocation. That is the second method to affect this Mongolism and all. 14 to 21st. That is the that Robertsonian translocation. That is the second one. But this is the normal method. Normally it affects due to with the help of. Why this disease normally affected? Normally the people who marry old age, that means the female, if it marries more than 35 years, male marriage more than 49 years, normally this type of disease affected children, they may chance to affect. Normally from either male or female children, both it affected. Both it affects either male or female children, very normally from normally it transmit from female parent. What are the common symptoms are present? So normally in exam point of view, 21st trisomy disease, identify that one, or the symptoms already they may give the symptoms, identify any one among the disease. What are the symptoms? Normally these symptoms either morphologically if you observe short stature, that means a smaller height and all. Along with this one, if you observe their head part, a rounded head, the head becomes very rounded. Then epicanthus, either side of nose and all. Either side of nose, epicanthus. Then furrowed tongue. Then another very important, mentally retarded. Along with this one, the genetically cardiovascular disease or congenital heart cardiac diseases. That is normally 40% congenital cardiac disorders it affects. Along with this one, mentally retarded. Mentally retarded, that means below 40. Their IQ level below 40 and all. Unable. So these particular offsprings, either male or female, within earlier age group persons only, they may chance to death and all. These are commonly, apart from this one, webbed fingers. Webbed fingers also is present, that flattened face, that unable to development of ears. That means smaller size of the ears. Then vertical palate. Vertical palate, the short size of the neck and all. Then internally, mentally retarded, as well as heart problem, externally very small. Among all these characteristic features, any one among they must give, you choose, that is this Down syndrome and all. Then related to Edwards syndrome, the name of this scientist who identified this syndrome, Edward scientist, that's why it is called as Edward 1. What type of, it is also a type of the trisomic syndrome. Trisomy, which particular chromosome added, it is there is 18th chromosome or 18th trisomy. Normally, it is also second largest one, diseases among these one. Here, that the short sternum, that normal symptoms are present. There is a short sternum. The sternum area which are connected to the ribs, it becomes very short and all. Then regarding receding chin may not be developed in a proper manner. That receding chin. Then apart from this one, hip girdle movement becomes restricted. Normally, here it is present hip girdle movement, that particular baby cannot able to move in proper manner. Then the joints of the finger abnormal. So abnormality of the or deformation of joints of the finger. Deformation of joint of the fingers, it is present. So like that, this normally that flattened, it will be present fingers, or that face becomes normally, or flattened one, it is present and all. So these are normal symptoms. Based on these symptoms, apart from this one, so normally you observe congenital heart disorder, congenital cardiac problem, and a nervous disorder, congenital cardiac problem, as well as nervous system problem. Nervous system, that means mentally retarded, as well as congenital cardiac problem, that is common. Most of the cases, this particular aneuploidy condition and all. Then Patus syndrome. Then coming to Patus syndrome, it is also trisomic one. Trisomic, that means on that 13th chromosome, the trisomy, normally it must be present. That means trisomy in that sense, you must remember how many number of chromosomes present in that particular offspring. All trisomy condition is normal number of chromosomes in human beings 46. In this either Down syndrome, either Edwards syndrome, either Patus syndrome, number of chromosomes are 47. One chromosome will added because of that disjunction of the chromosomes and all during cell division. In this Patus syndrome, normally it is present in this, it is also very severe physical mental retardation. Here, very severe mental and physical retardation, very severe abnormalities, normally it observed and all. Then the cephalic or head region becomes very small, that miniature of or very reduced the size of the cephalic region, the reduced, the cephalic, that means head becomes very small and all. Based on smaller size of cephalic and all, this incomplete development of forebrain, because of this one, incomplete development of forebrain, optic nerve, olfactory nerve. Because of that particular reason, forebrain, optic, olfactory nerve cannot develop proper manner, as well as cleft palate. These are normal symptoms normally observed in the Patus syndrome. Another one, Cru-du-Chat syndrome. This Cru-du-Chat syndrome, CDS, normally it is deletion number of chromosomes in Cru-du-Chat. That is very important exam point of view. Don't observe. Normally, you must observe with creative, innovatively, logically, all these trisomic wherever, either Patus, either Down syndrome, Edwards syndrome, total number of chromosomes are 47 because of adding of additional chromosome. Then, what is the number of chromosomes present in Cru-du-Chat syndrome? They must give options 45, 46, 47, 48. What is your option? Your option becomes 46 only. Number of chromosomes are same, only deletion. The short arm of fifth chromosome, the short arm of one segmented part of chromosome, it deleted. But number of chromosomes are remain same. But the particular short arm in fifth chromosome deleted. Here, fifth chromosome, that short arm segment of chromosome deleted. That's why it causes Cri du chat. What is the symptoms? What are the symptoms of Cri du chat? Many times they ask. Many times they asked already. Common, very important, already well known. The symptom, the baby crying like a mewing sound, like a cat crying, mewing sound. That means cat cry, mewing sound. That is very common. Apart from this one, mental retardation, that moon-shaped mental retardation, that moon-shaped face, it is present. Then that eyebrows, it becomes that broader eyes. That means between the two eyes, it becomes very broader area. Like that it is present. So all these, that mental retardation as well as congenital cardiac problem, that is a nervous disorder, that means mental retardation, that mewing sound. So these are very common in this deletion of this particular, even though may not either decrease or increase similar, but one can, it must, any one, if it deleted, then these particular problems, it is also these children may or may not, within particular couple of that either years or earlier age only, ready to death and all. So like this. Then along with this one, this autosomal. Then what about allosomal? Autosomal, then related to allosomal. So here you observe carefully number of chromosomes, either what is the particular number, aneuploidy condition, which particular short are deleted in that particular chromosome, that is segment of the chromosome, then number of Cri du chat, number of chromosome, like all these one. Then we will continue next class and